If your Phantom wallet does not look like this after about 6 months of trading meme coins, then you are doing it all completely wrong and missing out on all the potential money to be making in meme coins. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys the raw and uncut truth about trading meme coins and how to start maximizing your profits in little to no time. Now, before I begin, I'm going to be doing a lucky giveaway. So the person that wins is going to win one soul. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is like, subscribe, and comment how you're going to make money in this bull run. I will announce the winner in my Telegram, so make sure you guys join my Telegram in the description below. So if you guys have half a brain cell, you guys could see that this is Bitcoin right here, the chart, and something very special is happening in crypto right now. I know in the past, a lot of you guys have been saying, or a lot of you guys have been seeing that crypto has been down, especially with Solana and all the big cryptos being down. So as we could see here, it is literally a repeat on what's going to happen again. It went down, it's coming back up, and it's going to keep going back up. Right now, the crypto market is very bullish. What I mean by it being very bullish is just there is a mass of people that are willing to buy and they're going to hold. And that's where we're going to come in and we're going to make a lot of money. And this is the price of Solana. It's actually been going down, but I know it's going to come back up. And if we actually look at the past patterns of Solana, it is literally going to be a repeat and it's going to go back up. So if you guys really want to make money in meme coins and in crypto, this is going to be the perfect time to actually lock in and start doing what I'm going to tell you guys to do in this video to maximize all of your profits. Look at all these coins being created by the literal minutes. As we could see on this screener right here on Photon, you could see all the tokens that are literally being created right here. And there's one or two things happening to each individual that is in these tokens. One, they're either making money, or two, they're losing a lot of money. And I want you guys to reflect and kind of think about where you've been in the past in terms of, were you a winner or were you a loser? And I'm going to be as transparent, as clear as possible with you guys. I was a loser for a long time. I did not make any money with meme coins. I tried trading them. I tried, buying these mentorships, buying these groups, buying these Telegram chats or channels, and I was just getting a bunch of dog crap advice. And it was literally pathetic because they would all tell me like, oh, go to the filter and go press this and then put that and then put the market cap this and this, put buys to this. And at the end of the day, it was just like anybody else. And it just made no sense. Like it was advice, but anyone could have figured that out. And it was just common sense. And I just wish I had someone back then or something like a tool that would help me find the coins that weren't rugs and that would actually make me money if I were to buy a soul or whatever it is, 2 souls, and I wasn't just going to get rugged every single time. So as you guys could see, like example for this coin right here, someone created this coin and it's been pumping, right? So there's actually tools out there that help you see if a coin is going to be a rug or not. And, you kind of are able to dictate that and you're able to quick buy and get in. So this tool that for me, it's been revolutionary. It hasn't been around too long, but I've been using it for the past couple months and it's just been huge in my meme coin journey. And I've made a lot of money, not as much as I've been in when I create coins, but I have made a lot of money. And I'm going to just cut all the BS and go straight to the website right here. It's going to be called Memefast.fun right here. And like I said, you could copy trending coins, you could create coins, or you could just buy coins right here. So as we could see, this is going to be directly reflected from Pump.Fun. And this is going to be King of the Hill. This coin right here, as you guys could see, I'm going to go ahead and click it right there. So the cool thing about this tool is that it literally implements AI. What a lot of you guys don't know is that AI, such as ChatGPT, is able to do a lot of things for you. It is able to, write anything. I could literally say, make me a good meme coin. It probably won't be able to do this, but you guys get my point. Like AI, ChatGPT is going to give you a lot of good ideas, and it's something that no other human can do. It's just literally like intelligence from a computer. It's coding, it's super fast, everything. So with Memefast.Fun, this is literally going to implement AI in order to maximize our profits. And for me, I didn't believe it at first, but it took me a while, and it took a little trial and error to actually, know that this is legit and it actually does work. So for example, right here, like I said, king of the hill, some of these coins, we're going to go ahead and click this one right here, and we're just going to quick buy. We're going to quick buy right here. I think my wallet is connected. Actually, dang, this is shooting up hard. Let's go ahead and quick buy right there. So right there, we're going to buy. We're going to get in. My wallet should. Just going to go ahead and click continue on all of those right there. And we should be buying. Okay, right there, we're going to view it. Actually, we don't need to view it. We could just go right here to our portfolio, what we're holding. Let's go ahead and refresh that. And it came back right there, and we are already in the green. Let's go ahead and click the token, see where it's going. And yeah, it's still pumping. This is literally still going green candle. I literally bought right here, and it's still going up. Let's see if it keeps going. I'm going to leave this here for a bit. I'm going to cut the scene and come back to it just in a sec. As you guys could see, this coin is literally still going up. Huge candle right there, and the bonding curve is almost at 100%. This is still king of the hill, and this was all because of AI. So the cool thing about this feature in Memefast is that you are able to sell and buy in one click. So it makes it very, very easy to cash out before, a coin gets rugged or before anything goes south. So that is why I highly recommend Memefast. And if you really want to start making money in trading coins and, just keep it fairly simple and you just get a base around there, Memefast is a fairly user-friendly site that I highly recommend. If you guys need help, just comment in this video and I will teach you guys step by step on exactly how to do it.